Hey guys, John B here with PhoneArena, and this is our quick hands-on look at the BLU Pure View. Usually when we think of mid-range devices, they're priced between $250 and $450, but with the BLU Pure View, it really catches some attention with its $180 cost. Seriously, it can pass for some kind of high-end smartphone with its curved glass construction. The polished surfaces do nicely to elevate its look versus other higher-priced devices on the market, so it's just incredible that we have something this cheap with a beautiful looking design. And you know what? It even somehow managed to pack along a headphone jack and a fingerprint sensor. The screen here with the BLU Pure View is a 5.7-inch HD Plus display with an 18:9 screen aspect ratio. It does cover most of the facade, but it does exhibit some noticeable distortion when it's tilted slightly away from a straight view look. Yes, it could be an annoyance, but honestly, with a phone at this price point, that's one compromise you kinda expect. It's powered by an octa-core MediaTek 6753 processor coupled with 3GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage, and a micro SD card slot. Now, the performance isn't the most fluid out there, and we kinda see evidence in that in how some of the native apps do take a little bit more time opening. What's really surprising though, it's running Android 7.0 Nougat with BLU's custom skin. For a 2018 release smartphone, that's a bit of a disappointment, especially considering BLU's track record when it comes to upgrading the software on its phones. Besides that, it also features a single 13-megapixel rear camera. You have a dual 8-megapixel camera setup on the front. It does produce wider selfie captures, and then you also have a 3000 mAh battery. Absolutely, the $180 cost of the phone undercuts most of the competition in the space, but for a limited time only, it'll be offered at the launch price of $130 through Amazon. There's no exact word on when this promotion might end, but if you're strapped for cash, this will certainly save you a chunk of money in the process. And that is it for this video, guys. If you want to learn more about the BLU Pure View, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.